Hey everybody, just out here at Norris Road at the moment. So now what's going on, they're putting in the electrical contractors are here. We finished today, tomorrow. They're just putting all the electrical conduit in. You can see they got the rope later on. That all they do at the moment is they put the conduit and then they pull the wires later. Over there the civil guys are putting in some stormwater. It's mostly in now. They'll install in. That's some stormwater pipe there. Over here they've got all the stormwater mains, in here, the boxing. So all this stuff is goes in underground underneath the road. It catches all the water from the road, from the gutters in the road, and it goes into those big manholes over there through that concrete stormwater pipe, and then goes out that road to the right there, and then all the house mains, all the house water comes out, goes into the gutter, right? So and then just about this level, just a little bit lower than this level, is where the road's got to go. So they'll dig this out a little bit more, and they'll put a layer of rock and then build the road out, and it'll get to this height here, more or less, this manhole. This is the stormwater main here, and then all the water that ends up underneath the road will go into the rock that sits on the bottom of the road, and it ends up, some of it goes into these little drains here. So all the underneath the road, you want it all drained as well. Yeah, so that's what we're up to. Once there's the water mains there, those big blue black pipes with the blue stripes got to go in next. So they'll bury them underneath the road where they've got to cross the road, and then they'll leave the connections, and then they'll do those connections for the houses later. And then after that, that's about a week away, I'll start building this road, and this road will probably take them till December to finish. That's it. I'll keep you up to date in the coming weeks.